This belt was drawn on knowing the location of world symmetry, which is easier to identify compared to local symmetry. Local symmetry is the symmetry line of a subtool. Depending on the shape, local symmetry line changes when I edit the subtool polygons. I can easily change the local symmetry line by adding another face on the left, resulting in the local symmetry line moving to the left while world symmetry line remains the same. So when I tap on an orange face to form a belt using local symmetry, this time with draw size 1, I created a mirror image that protrudes towards the left, because the symmetry line moves slightly to the left edge. The challenge with using local symmetry is that it is so hard to locate. It could be slightly to the left or to the right. I suggest a better way of finding out where the symmetry line is using a bounding box. Under Z plugin, Scale Master, there is a button called New Bounding Box Subtool. This box will cover up the entire model or visible subtool from edge to edge. With Polyframe on, we can see the local symmetry is slightly to the left. Isolate any individual subtool if need be before forming the new bounding box. Shift-Ctrl, click on the subtool to isolate. If I hide the model partially, we can see the world symmetry x-axis is right in the center. If I turn on the bounding box, the local symmetry line is to the left. This is why, when using local symmetry line, the belt is protruding away from the skin.